improved candidates with KCPE scores as baseline. Coast, we have picked one from every region. One from the coast, you have Mbilo Boniface Wambua, who had 241 marks in Kcse, has gotten a B stand from a sub-county school in Yukini Mixed Secondary School. The next one is Minor Humphrey Mwangi from Gadirwini Secondary School. And he originally had 211. He has gotten a B stand. The third one is Kituku Simon Mavi, 221, B stand, from ABC Bambusu Secondary School. The next one is Njoroge Kelvin Mwangi, Jehovah Jireh Secondary School. From 207 to a B stand. Next one is Jepto Sharon from Lelu Secondary School, from 267 to A minus. The next one is Shawiza Isaac from Makuchi Secondary School, and from 242 to a B stand.